সে যে আকাশ পানে পথ পেতেছে, তারে আজ নামায় কেড়ে ওরে 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 আমার।
Myself is Nirmal Lokho, share with you, want to share my 55th motivational video, that is you can make difference, friend. Yes, you can make difference. You friends, you can make difference a lot in this world, friend. You have the all power within yourself, friend. Before coming to the main point, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal's Dream World, because only here you will get lots of motivational videos which will be very much meaningful, helpful for your life. Okay friends, let us come to the point. Friends, yes, you can make a difference, friends. You have all the power, potentiality within yourself. The winners never quit and quitters never win, friends. You all know that. So believe in yourself, friends. You can do everything, friends. There was a writer, friend, in America. That writer has a habit to go to the sea beach in every morning. One morning he went to the sea beach and saw that a person is coming from that side of the shore of the ocean, and he is picking up some starfishes from the shore and just throwing it away to the water of the ocean. Then he was very much surprised. The writer became very much surprised and asked to that young person, "Hey young person, why are you picking up the starfishes from the shore of the ocean and throwing it to the water?" Then the young man replied that "Hey writer, hey my respectable writer, I do this because that starfish gets life for my doing this job, because when the tides of the ocean comes into the shore, then the starfishes come to the shore with the tides. But when the tides go back to the ocean, then the starfish cannot go with the tides, so they die here. So if I can pick up the starfishes one by one and throw it to the back to the ocean, then that starfish will get life." Then the writer asked the young person, hey young man, there are miles and miles of length of this shore, and there are lots of thousands of starfishes coming with the tides of the ocean. Then how many will you pick up and throw to the ocean, water of the ocean, and how many's life will you change? Then the young man gave his great reply, and that is, he said that, "Here respectable writer, if I can save the life of one starfish, that will be meaningful for me, because that my throwing that starfish to the water will save his life, and that will be meaningful for that starfish. His life will be changed forever." So if you can change the life of only one person in this world, that is also sufficient. If you cannot have the capacity to change the life of every person of this world, that does not matter, friends. If you can change the life of only one person in this world, you should do this, because that will be meaningful. That will make a lot of difference for that person, friends. So believe in yourselves. Winners always have dreams, and losers always have schemes. Friends, every person want to live a respectable life, an honorable life, because only taking bath, eating food, producing child, and go to the shamshan, go to the cover, go to die, go to the furnace, is not the meaning of life, because your activity will die with you. If you do it is only for you, your activity will die with you if you do it only for you. But if you do those activities for others, for human being, for society, then that will be immortal. And if you die also, then those activities will never die. It will never go to Tum. It will never go to Shanshan. It will never go to furnace, because your body will get fire when you will die. Well, your body will be kept under the soil when you will die, but your work will remain eternal. Your work will remain eternal, immortal. Not your all works, but your good works for others will remain immortal in their memory, in the memory of society, in the memory of other people. So friends, try to do good for others. Try to do good for others always, because it will make a lot of difference for their life, and you will feel immense happiness, joy in your life. Helen Carter, the blind writer Helen Carter, who discovered the typewriting for the blind people, who discovered the language of blind people, she also said that if you have a small capacity, use that capacity to your ultimate purpose of life. Use that capacity to your ultimate purpose of life. Use that capacity to the full of your life, and then your life will be meaningful. Your life will be meaningful, and you will always remember that. You will always remember that you have immense potentiality. Friends, there is only awareness exists in this world. There is no virtue, no sin. No virtue, no sin, only awareness matters. Friends, it is said by all great masters of this world that there is no virtue, no sin, only awareness matters. If you do a sin with awareness, that is virtue. Swami Vivekananda also said that. If you do a sin with awareness, that is virtue, because awareness will always help you to do good job, whether it is sin or virtue. There is no sin or no virtue. And even if you do a virtue, a worship with your unconsciousness, with your unawareness, then that will be your sin, because with unconsciousness, with unawareness, you can never do any virtue. And if you do sin with your awareness, your consciousness, then it will be virtue, because with awareness, with consciousness, you cannot do any sin. Friend, you cannot do any sin. Always remember it. There is no sin, no virtue, only awareness matters. With full awareness, with full consciousness, you can do anything, and that will be virtue. So friend, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Friend, Napoleon Hill, the great Napoleon Hill, told that you cannot control the outside atmosphere. You cannot control the outside atmosphere, but you can control your inner atmosphere. So try to control your inner atmosphere. Try to change yourself. Meditate. Do yoga pranayama every day, and try to focus on your main purpose of life, because life is full of purposeful, and you have to go on the path of your purpose and nothing else, friend. You have to go for the purpose of your life and nothing else, friends. It will give you immense pleasure. It will evolve. It will explore your inner capacity. So friend, I will not make this video long. I will just creating this video to give the message that you too can do it, and you can make a difference. I have wrote lot of things. I have wrote a lot of articles about the matter, and one of my articles published in the international magazine Yogakshema, and I got lots of letters giving appreciation for my article to me. So friends, I do not need any appreciation. I just want that if you apply these matters of this video in a real life, that will be my award, that will be my reward. And keeping this hope, I am ending this video. Hope that you will subscribe my YouTube channel, and you will remain healthy, positive, and always try to make a difference for your society. Always try to make a difference for a person who needs your help. And with that hope, goodbye friends. Stay well, stay healthy, stay positive.